Hi guys, so tonight we're going to be making high protein jacket potatoes. They are packed full of protein, about 50 grams of protein per serving, and tonight we're going to do 3 serving lots. So let's go through the ingredients. We've got some diced capsicum, jalapeno and onion. We've got about a tablespoon of tomato paste. We're going to use some chicken stock, some black beans, our mince obviously, potatoes, and we're going to add on the Mingle spice mix. So let's get straight into it. So with our potatoes, I started off by cleaning them. You can buy store-bought potatoes that are already washed, but these ones were pretty dirty, so I just grabbed a clean scour and gave them a scrub, and then you're good to go. So to cook these potatoes, we need some foil and a fork or a knife. We're just going to stab a few holes in the potato to create some air, and then we're wrapping them in foil and popping them straight in the oven. The oven's set at about 180 degrees, and we're going to cook them for about 30 to 45 minutes, or just when you can tell that they're cooked. So there you have it. Once they're all sealed, we're just going to pop them straight in the oven. Okay, so our pan is on the hottest heat. We're going to start frying off the onion, and while that's frying off, still keep an eye on it, but we're going to go and wash the black beans. Okay, washing the black beans, pop them straight into a strainer, rinsing them thoroughly with some water because it does not taste very nice at all. Right, now we're going to add in the mince, so just popping that straight on top of the onion. Once this is cooked, then we're going to add in the beans, capsicum and jalapeños. So whilst that was cooking, I did season it with a bit of salt and pepper. I'm going to go straight in with the whole can of black beans, give that a stir. Now I'm going to add the capsicum and jalapeno. Going to go in with, then we're going to go in with our tomato paste, chicken stock, and last but not least, our Mingle's taco seasoning. Straight on top, and again mixing that straight through. Okay, so once your potatoes are cooked, you're just going to get your portions ready, cut them in half, and then we're going to add on the mince mix. So just allocate yourself some of the mince. You can add maybe 50 grams of mozzarella cheese on top, maybe some sour cream, avocado, but again, it all depends on what your calories are set at. So there you have it, our high protein jacket potatoes, just in time for dinner. They are packed full of protein, like I said, at 48 grams, just shy under 50. They have 648 calories per serving, 66 grams of carbs, and 18 grams of fats. Not too bad.